Remember your home address, for your ancestors still live there to comfort you. And when you are feeling weary, they will hold your spirit. They will let you know that men, like truth, do not disappear, and women of courage do not abandon time. Do not forget your home address. If you go away, you must remember it, for when they ask you where you come from, you must come back. You must search for it, and you must find it. History is the home address. It resides in you. It is your sanctuary, and you its sanctuary. If you do not know it, if you forget it, if you throw it away, it is as if you are entering a desert where there is only sand, sand, and sand. If you go away, you must remember your home address, for that is where your being resides. Here on earth, earth is full of trials and tribulation. Earth is a place where mosquito bites can kill. If history, like the seasons, comes back and your ancestors ask you for the address, you must take it. You must say it to them, and you must know it. If the global village emerges, son of Africa, walk. Do not leave your footprints on the sand of the ocean. The water will wash it away. Do not fly against the current. Your wings will break. Mile away! I say as my great-grandmother would say. I remember when she went to sleep and she slept forever. Does that mean she dreams forever? Or that now and then she receives nightmares of genocide and people attacking her for her dreams? I am her dream. She dreams hoping that my life will be different from hers. All of us, when we become ancestors, we wish that they do not live a life like us. That is why we give them the home address, and we hope they do not forget it, for if they do forget it, lest they forget themselves. You may not live there, but you must not forget your home address. June 16, honoring our heroes and heroines of the Soweto uprising. Ama!